cooking gelatin. I'm just waiting for it to boil and then turn off the induction cooker. And then of course I'm gonna put this, the Nestle, the gulaman, and of course the last 2-in-1 creamer. Ganyan lang po kadali. Kailangan lang yung consistency niya is ayan. Of course, hihintayin na natin siyang pag-boil. And then make urong this one. Ayan. Hindi ko na naman alam kung bakit nandito ako sa napakaliit na portion na to ng kusina. I know. But I can manage naman, guys. Okay, back. Nihintay ko na lang siya mag-boil. And then simmering. Muna siya haluin. Yan. It's green. Actually, tukusata is my green and my red. But naubusan po ako ng red na gulaman. So, nagsettle na lang ako sa green. So, it's supposed to be for one dish saucepan, I'm using that saucepan. Ay ginamit ko po ang 6 na cups ng water and 1.5 gulaman sachet. And of course, the creamer and the Alaska. And no sugar added. And of course, putting this on top, the Fiesta. Fiesta po to ha. There. Yan. Fiesta fruit cocktail. So, that means wala siyang grapes. Kasi nung Christmas, may grapes yung ginamit ko. Pero, ito yung ginamit ko nung Christmas, guys. This one. Like this. But, ito yung gagamitin ko ngayon for New Year. So, wala siyang grapes. But, that's fine. Wala namang problema dun. Okay. Hihintay ko na lang siyang kumulo, guys. And then, I will put this. Kaya talagang baka mabutas eh. Mas solid kasi dito sa sa granite. Ang tagal niyang kumulo, guys, no? Yan, ginawa kong 800. Kasi gusto kong ma-reach niya yung boiling point without exactly boiling. Alam niyo yun, yun sa sa pagluto. Ma-reach niya yung boiling point but not exactly boiling. That's how we cook gulaman. That's how I cook my gulaman. Okay, I think this is enough. Para na siyang kulo sa ilalim. And of course, I'm gonna taste the gulaman itself. Yan. Hindi po siya matamis, pero tama lang kasi I'm gonna put on top the Fiesta fruit cocktail. Ang tamis lang niya is galing sa Alaska 2-in-1 cream and the Nestle cream. So, suabe. Ibig sabihin, suabe. And a bit healthier than the other Coke gelatin. Okay, I think meron na siyang ano sa ilalim. Andun pa sa dulo yung aking, ang gulo kasi ng kusina ako ngayon guys, hindi ko maipakita sa inyo sa totoo lang mga hilera. Ay, sorry guys. Ayan. Okay, lalagay na natin sa, I think I'm gonna put this nasa kanyang lagayan here. Kasi hinintay ko yung ma-reach niya yung gusto kong consistency eh. And then, nilagyan ko siya ng half cup ng sabaw ng Festa fruit cocktail for some asympacto. Yung pong medyo swabing tamis na wala namang asukal. And then, a little bit of yung asim ng sabaw ng fruit cocktail. Ako po yung kamay ko yan. My hands is older than my mom. Yan. I don't know why. Yan. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I think this is enough. So, hintay ko kasi siyang maging parang simmering na siya. I think this is enough. Okay guys. Okay. Haluin natin ulit. For some medyo I think that's enough. And of course, pour it in. There you are. There. And this. Let's see how this will work. And of course, that's our gelatin. And, syempre may sobra dun. May extra akong tumbler. From oven to freezer. Tingnan natin. Sayang, sana malapit kayo, no? Papadalan ko kayo ng isa-isang slices. Okay, this one will go like that. And let's put that there. There you are. So, mga ilang ano lang naman. Let's see. Ganun natin yung ilagay. Hayaan na natin yung lilinis. And, ayan. Hintayin lang natin actually very few seconds lang. We're gonna add here sa ibabaw. Ayan. Actually, kung di ko to lalagyan, ayan, nakita nyo, sa ilalim dapat yan itataob. Ayan. Sarap. Hopefully sana hindi lumubog kasi hindi ko siya hindi ko alam kung dapat mo siyang yung pagluluto po nito, susundin nyo lang, all you have to do is follow the instruction written sa sachet no Mr. Gulaman. I use Mr. Gulaman actually. This one. Yan, I use that. So, hintayin natin medyo mag-stabilize siya. Stabilize before natin ilagay. Ang dali lang po niya lutuin, no? Nasundan nyo. Ayan. Just follow the instructions and bilang mag-a-adjust kayo kung maglalagay kayo ng like nun. Isang lata, isang Nestle sa 1.5. That means 6 cups yung isang sachet. So, naglagay ako ng another half sachet para ma-compensate yung nilagay kong Nestle cream. Or else, or else magkakamali kayo. Yan, medyo lumubog po yung iba. Ayan, guys. Talagang pinapalubog ko siya para pag-slice ng gelatin, meron doon sa ilalim, hindi lang sa ibabaw. Okay, guys. This is Samity saying the simplest way of cooking gelatin. Kasi yung pong dati yung pagluluto dahil may nabibiling gulaman bars, yun yung matagal lutuin. Ngayon, ito na yung pinakamadali. Hindi ko lang alam, syempre, kung alin ang mas healthier. But anyways, Mr. Gulaman says it's actually made from seaweed extract. So I presume it's healthy. Let's presume it's healthy. Okay, this is Hamity saying bye for now. At ito ay magluluto ko ng ayan, barbecue. Pero minamarinate marinate ko muna siya for 3 hours, pero 2 hours lang siguro or 1.5 kasi masyadong late na yun. Yan. Tapos bibilingin ko lang siya and then yun na, i-barbecue na natin. Okay, bye! This is Samity saying bye for now. See you next time, guys. And yeah, stay happy. Okay, bye. 2024. Welcoming 2024 in a few